Okay, so what we're going to do is figure out how to fill in the lines we need for loading the data. So here we have, this is an ANOVA for this data for sound. These are test scores. The test scores associated with each kind of sound. So these are the test scores people received when there was constant sound in the background. We're going to assign 1 to that. These are the test scores assigned when there was random sound in the background. And that's going to be number 2. And number 3 is going to be when it was quiet in the background. So those are the scores for when it was quiet. Those are the scores for when it was random sound. And those are the scores when there was constant sound. Okay, so now we're going to stick this data in here. So I'm going to call this, the name of the data variable is going to be called the data, which is right from here. There's going to be 24 rows of 2 columns. So I'm just going to have the data, then a 1, then a column, then one of these things, then that's equal to C. And now I'm taking everything, I'm going to take everything here. So I'm going to put a 1, and then a comma, and then this 7. And then do that again. And, okay, so I'm going to have the data 1, 2 actually, 2, comma, is equal to C 1, comma, then up here for the 4. And then the data 3, comma, is equal to C 1, comma, then the 6. Okay, then I should probably put these in here too. Okay, the data 4, comma, equal to C 1, comma, and I'm going to put the 8 in there. The data 5, comma, equal to C 1, comma, 6. And then the data 6, comma, C 1, comma, 6. The data 7, comma, this is equal to C 1, comma, 7. And the data 8, comma, C 1, comma, 8. Okay, now I want to have three of these all together, because I'm going to have 24 all together. So I'm just going to copy this, just to make this go a little bit faster. Paste. Shoot. Okay. Edit. Okay. Paste. 1, and then put another one in there. Paste. Okay, so now I've got, what do I have all together? I should have hopefully 24. Now I want to change this. So the 1, 2, 3, go to 8. Now I'm going to change that to a 2 for each one of these. That's going to be a 2. That's going to be a 2. Two, 2. And this is going to be a 3. Then I go here. Okay, so here, this number here is going to be this 5. So I'm going to get a 5, then a 5, then a 3, then a 4, then a 4, then a 7, then a 2, and a 2, and then I'm up here, so I'm going to have this 2, so I'm going to have a 2, and a 4, which is already there, and then a 7, and then a 1, and then a 5, and then a 5. Oops, did something wrong. Go up here. What did I do? Go back here. Okay, that should be a 2. That should be a 4. That should be a 7. That should be a 1. That should be a 2. That should be a 1. That should be a 5. And then that should be a 5. And that's it. That's just for filling out the data.